Hi, fourth graders. For today's homework assignment, you have Home Connections, page 117 and 118. It should say Paloma's Pictures, okay, page 1 of 2. Today's homework, I'm going to check again that you have your selfie with your homework done on, what is today? Tuesday. So I will check on Thursday that you have your homework complete, okay? So for the homework, you have your scenario. Paloma is painting a picture of a house. Help Paloma solve the following problems. Show your work using numbers, sketches, and words. Hint, please make sure you're reading our hints. They're there for you. Hint, use some of the strategies we've been studying lately to solve the combinations as easy as possible. Think number strings, think closer to an easy number, all of those strategies. Okay, so it's problem number 1. If the door of Paloma's house is 49 millimeters by 24 millimeters, what is the area of the door? Think of the shape of a door and what we do with these type of shapes when we have to solve our problem. Okay. Number 2. One of the windows is 15 millimeters by 32 millimeters. Another window is 30 millimeters by 16 millimeters. So right here we have like window 1 and window 2. So you have 2 windows. Paloma says they have the same area. Do you agree? Yes or no? Boys and girls, this is a strategy that we have used multiple times. If you remember, I would maybe line up the numbers of a 15 by 32 for one window and then a 30 by 16 for another and see if there's a strategy there that you realized. If you can't see that hint, because it's there for you if you're studying your numbers, then you need to draw them out and solve for the area. But study those numbers of window 1 compared to the numbers of window 2. And then tell me why they have the same area. Okay, oops. Number 3. The porch is a 12 centimeter by 19 centimeter, is 12 by 19 centimeters. What is the area of the porch? All right, that's number 1. Or page 117, I should say. Second page of your homework, page 118. Number 4, we are using a strategy that we have used plenty of times. Okay? You're filling in the blanks. For number 4A, 48 times 25 equals, meaning these two, 48 times 25 is going to be equal to this equation. 48 times 25 equals 24 times what? Remember, the first number was 48, and the first number on this equation was 24. There's a strategy we've used to help you figure out what this blank number should be without doing any math. Then for this one, we have 48 times 29 equals 48 times 30 minus 48 times what? For C, 48 times 29 equals 48 times 20 plus 48 times what? Notice what numbers stay the same and what number needs to change and what our numbers have to be. These are the numbers that they have to be. These are the numbers that we've changed. Then our last one, 50 times 29 is half of what times 29? So that's like saying we cut a number in half to get 50. What did this number have to be for us to cut that in half to get 50? Number 5, these are just true or falses. Okay, true or false. You're looking at your numbers. Is 16 times 17 the same as 34 times 8? Look at both numbers. Did we do something to those numbers with a strategy that we know? 39 times 8 equals 40 times 8 minus 1. 64 times 20 equals 32 times 40. And 50 times 89 equals 100 times 89. Okay, true or false? And then your challenge. As always, if you need extra work, do the challenge problem. Paloma added a garden to her painting. She has 12 rows of flowers. Each row has 13 plants in it. Each plant has 15 flowers on it. How many flowers are in Paloma's garden? Show all your work. This is a multi-step problem. But if you show all your work, think about what's being asked and challenge yourself. And that one, number 6, you can do. So that was your homework and your explanation for homework, Home Connections pages 117 and 118. Remember, since this was assigned on Tuesday, I will be checking that you have your selfie done by Thursday. Good luck!